Hi, Chef Terry here. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to disassemble one of these. This being, of course, an avocado. So the first step, we'll need to get your equipment out. Sharp knife, big spoon, a butter knife, a receptacle to put it in, towel. First thing, take the knife and now, that's not a good idea. Why would you trust this avocado to be able to stop this knife? This knife is very, very sharp. Let's do it on the cutting board. So reach over and then slice down in to cut the skin, and then just roll the avocado along the cutting board with the knife. I'm not putting very much pressure on this at all. That's just a tribute to how sharp this knife is. So just give it a twist and it comes right apart. Now to get the pit out, we can come down in and we run into the same issue. We'd have to trust that this pit is going to be strong enough to stop this knife from going into your hand. That's where the kitchen towel comes in. Put the kitchen towel here, there. Now you can use a cut glove if you have one. A oven mitt will work also, but definitely put something there to protect your hands. So I'm just gonna give this a little bit of black, and you see how it caught right into the pit. Give it a twist, and your pit comes right out. To remove the pit, pinch right behind the pit on the blade, and it's gone. So, that's the last one we need. We don't need that knife anymore. Gone. To remove the meat from the avocado, well, if you're gonna dice this up for, say, guacamole or something like that, why not cut it up in the skin, keep your cutting board clean, stuff like that. So, I'm gonna use the butter knife and make cross-hatch slices on the inside of this avocado. Then take the spoon and scoop it right out. And now we have the skin with that. If you want a whole slice or the whole avocado half, go ahead and just use the spoon and work your way under there. This one got caught on the little stem. I should have removed that. And that's it. You have just disassembled a avocado. Now you can mash it up, do whatever you want, throw it on some toast, throw it at the dog, whatever. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, smash all the buttons down there. See you next time.